cocktail sauce is a classic of the French culinary arts. It is one of the rare, maybe even the only, French recipe where you will use ketchup. The ketchup added to the mayonnaise gives it a nice pinkish color. It is usually served with shrimps. To make a cocktail sauce, you will need homemade mayonnaise, cayenne pepper, salt and white pepper, Worcestershire sauce, also called Lee Perrins sauce, ketchup, cognac or whiskey. To the quarter cup of mayonnaise, add the cognac or the whiskey, then add the ketchup, whisk. This is how you get this pinkish color. Season, little bit of Perrins sauce, pinch of salt, little bit of white pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Whisk again. The sauce can be tiny bit more pink. I'm going to add a little bit more ketchup. There we go. So I added an extra teaspoon. Taste the sauce. Very nice. Nice flavor. The sweetness, a little bit of the ketchup. The kick of the cayenne pepper on the back at the end. Very nice. Let's serve it.